be, let's say I go to one of my plan, hopefully elevate first story plan. I'm going to cut. Oh, we don't have any wall here. Okay, never mind. Let me draw one wall here so that give us a chance to draw something. Okay, I like to have the oh, sorry, have. Forget about this wall here. Nah. Yeah, so careless. Okay, let me cut one section here on this particular wall here, RC wall section. Nearly forget about this. So I cut one wall because the other one should be identical. Let's say I cut this, or maybe cut both lah, but I just show one of them. Okay, like this will do. Something simple. Okay, so here, this is my RC wall section. Oh, sorry, structure wall section. Rename. Structure, let's say STR. Structure wall section AABBCC DD. Okay, double click, open it up. So same thing applies, huh? Shorten this. Only let to see up to a certain level. Maybe like that. I hate all these text. Make it slightly smaller. 50? Yeah, good. Make it smaller. Further away. Okay. So this guy sit on top of your beam. I believe we see a beam here. No, that's your slab. This one? First story slab. 500. Okay, so this is the wall. Now, depends on the bearing. Here you can have only one mesh or two. You can choose. So how am I going to add this? So let me select this particular wall. I go to section box. I believe you create another 3D or capture that particular one for me. Yeah, like this. Okay. Now here, because of the box hidden, I cannot fine tune the width. So you need to get it back by turn on the bulb, select the section box, unhide element, close it. So from here, you still can adjust the view. Yeah, like that. Okay. So first story now I close it, left only these two, WT. So what I'm doing is this wall, all right, which is this piece. Okay. Now, ready? Once the view you adjusted correctly, you can actually start to sketch. I just want to ensure that it's a proper floor. Yeah, one at a time. Okay, so ready? You can't sketch on here because the facing is showing it. You must do it at the 3D. So let me hide the section box. Right click, hide in view, element. Go to the area, then select this wall that you're going to edit. It will become gray in color. After that, you want your rebar to cover this whole surface. I'm using the rectangular tools. Select the face, then you can sketch the whole area you want it to cover. Alright, once done, you click finish. Now, major direction is showing you the orientation of the display. That means the mesh facing. I'll show it to you here later on. Now, I didn't change anything yet. I click finish. You notice that you see from here, it generated already. See here? Okay. Then you select to find detail. Maybe out. So currently they show us both. By selecting them, see that like a system. This is pick one by one, rod by rod. But you highlight the whole reinforced structure area, you are able to adjust from the properties here. You want a dual, single, and so on. And the spacings, the width, like what is the gap here, every 300, right? And so on. And you can see exterior minor, interior major. All right. This one here is if everything in place, you can just remove the area system, like something your beam system. So you fix there. So Revit no need to keep monitoring. Okay. So here you see that hold on, currently it show me two, right? Edit type. They never mention anything. Maximum spacing, fixed number, partition, nothing. You check, uncheck, because they have both sides. That's why you can see so long. Both sides. So you uncheck. Total there's four lah. Correct lah. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. So depends which side you don't want. So structure engineer will tell you. Alright. But meantime, as I say, this inside, so you can't see. If you want it to be visible, simple. Select this, right? Here, visibility. This is 3D, unobstruct, show as solid. It will show. Wow. See? So massive. Of course, this was must mounted onto the slab, right? Or to the beam together. So you notice that here you can extend by clash lah. So they warn you lah actually. The other thing here is if you select only one of them, or again, sorry, the structure system, you toggle this, the mounting type. See that? How you want it. You can toggle. See the structure? All this can be toggled because you need to tie to somewhere. If not, this wall is useless. Also will collapse. Correct now? That's why you can see precast wall, they have your rebar or the reinforcement system, they will have some extension so that they can tie to surrounding joints, your column, your beam, and so on. Okay? Now let's again do something here. Edit boundary in your plan. Sorry, should I edit boundary? No, pick this. No, not this. I was want to show you the major dose adjustment thing. 3D edit boundary. You see here? You zoom out in the 3D, the major direction currently is horizontal. I select the vertical one. Now it's on the vertical. Okay, now notice the arrangement here. The moment you apply, see that the orientation change. So all this you need to know how or what is the requirement. I might not good in this, so I can't tell you much because I'm not a structure engineer. I'm not doing structure. So you guys for the uh 202 CA1, next time you have studied theory on this rebar thing, ask the one that doing the rebar or the structure. So DA, you guys, I don't know whether you have a chance to know or not, but I don't think so, because CEA will learn more on that the area. Okay, so ask what is the purpose of this orientation. All right. I also want to find out, but that day I forget to ask. There must be a reason behind. All right. If not, serve no purpose for adjusting this. There must be a reason. Anyone know CA? Any of your so-called lecturer mentioned this, or do you all ask? Or now you know you can ask them? Huh, guys? No idea. So next time you see your lecturer, ask them lah. Whoever teach you this. Plus one? What is plus one? Oh, plus you one more. Okay, I thought what plus one. Interesting. Okay, let's try to see can we turn one of them off. Because as I said, there's four numbers here. So exterior major, apply. See, it gone already. Exterior minor, because it's facing outside, so only one-sided. See that? Then if you need the other one, you turn, then you adjust this side. Okay? Oh, questions on your this structure area reinforcement? So this is the space. All right. So if your screen is big enough, a lot of things I would say you can adjust. Edit type nothing much, because just allows you to have maybe change the type. Yeah. So only when you section the structural wall lah, you add this lah. So whether it's one or two lor. I mean the exterior or interior lor. Okay, interior major, interior minor, and exterior major, exterior minor. Okay, default they will add two lah. So the your rebar size you gotta change from here lah. Now the list. Oh, okay, the whole list is here. Right? Okay, questions? But this is a bit too dense lah, seriously. I don't know what is the strengths they are looking for. Unless you have the calculation now. Can? Oh, 12 already. That was fast. So next week, that means I see you next Saturday. No more Thursday, That means on the 23rd. Correct? You make sure that you guys already have your structure submitted. So wherever I teach you all this, you guys try to have some detail show here. Because your staircase, remember the whole wall all the way support up, you need to have this at least. This is the so-called portions which is in your plan. They have a wall there. The rest of the model doesn't have a wall. Okay. You may maybe cut one part of your RAM to add this also if you want. But RAM is not a wall, so I don't know whether would it be there or not. Never tried before yet. But maybe you can use the fabric. See, fabric area. You can cover that. Oh, yeah. This fabric sheet. That's why I see it's similar like the area. This is newly introduced, I think from 2018 or 17. Yeah. This area is what all the while is there. So I don't know why sometimes Revit have something similar. But this is single lah. See, single fabric sheet placement. This one never say whether it's a single or duplex. I don't know. But I can see they are similar. Okay. So you can see put on the floor, this on the wall. All right, so could be that, but they never mention. Can give it a try, guys, if you want. One part of your floor at the fabric area or fabric sheet. Give it a try. It should be similar. Okay, questions? If no, then I will stop here. Next week we'll do path and some other stuff. Coupler is more like a joint, so nothing much. Structure itself. That's why I was thinking something. Um, Schedule, yes, because your view here, you need to create some schedule, title block, yeah. And just now I show you is only partial section, like, hold on, let me cancel, 3D, your plan, and some more on the elevation. Got another elevation for structure you need to know. Call out, we need to know, and some other details. All right, like you want to have a different detail which is not from Revit itself, it's from external. Okay, this is very useful. That means you recycle your reuse CAD detail. These are things that we're looking forward. Okay, I will stop here. Meantime, yeah. Okay, stop recording.